song for our birthday celebrant.
Saba po. 1, 2.
Once again, may request to everyone to please stand up. Tayo po muna tayong lahat. Alright, think we're ready na. Kaya naman Kuya RM, play the music and everybody sing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Alright, this time yung mas malakas at may energy naman. Come on! Yung mas malakas. Louder! And of course, bago po i-blow ng ating birthday celebrant ng kanyang birthday cake, ay pakinggan po muna natin ang birthday wish nila Mommy and Daddy sa ating birthday celebrant.
Anak, happy birthday. I hope, yung kang mabait and malita ko sa Diyos. Wish ko na more success to you sa academics and and all the best. Love you, anak.
Happy birthday, Bebe! Magbabait. Kailan?
Ayan, and of course, pakinggan din po natin ang birthday wish ng ating birthday celebrant.
Wag yun. Mayroon palagaan. Baby brother. Come on.
Ayan, siguro nahihiya lang po ang ating birthday celebrant. Kaya naman bibilang po ako ng 3, 2, 1 ang sakyo. At sabay-sabay po nating isisigaw ang happy birthday, Amara. Kaya naman in a count of 3, 2, 1. You may now blow the candle and make a wish. Ayan, once again, palakpakan naman po natin ang ating birthday celebrant. And now we are proceed to our food serving. Kaya naman to all our guests, you may now take your seat na po.